We made it. We left at, what time did we leave, Shan? Come here, where are you hiding? Come here. What time did we leave?
We left I don't know, we woke up at 4:30, that's all I know, the rest of the blur.
I think we left about 5:45, and the drive was smooth here, to be honest.
Yeah,
once you get onto this road, I can't remember what it's called, it's just like 29 miles of just no turning, just straight. It was green lights all the way, and it was a nice drive, real nice drive. Look at these views, man.
Views are
Look
amazing.
at these crazy views. It's ridiculous, man. So yeah, just basically what today is about is, you know how you always have pictures of supercars as your screensaver, or pictures of supercars as your wallpaper on your phone and stuff like that. Well, finally I've got the car that I want, that I would normally have on my screensaver, so I'm going to take pictures of it and have it be in my car, not just a fantasy car that I wish I could have. It's my car that I want on those screensavers. It's my car that I want on the poster. So that's what we're going to do today. We're going to take some pictures in this wonderful location. Great, man, like amazing, like the shots that he takes, man. I don't know how he does it, but just look amazing.
Good, because I weren't
really
like, not that I didn't think it would look good, but I was thinking, oh, we're just shooting it here.
Yeah,
nowhere
you
else?
should see it. You should see it. You should see it.
I was sleeping.
And with a smoke bomb as well. Those shots are gonna be crazy.
I wish I saw the smoke
with the drone
bomb.
shots as well that Jake's got. Gonna be amazing. Can't wait to see it. Yeah.
Good.
So anyway, we stopped off somewhere on the route to get some food. Don't know where we are, but the place looks cool, you know, so hopefully we can find a little restaurant, get some breakfast. And then we're gonna go to Newport Beach, long drive to get a car for Shan.
Yay! A little bit dirty, guys, don't watch that. It's gonna get cleaned.
Yeah, they're about to detail it.
But I'm so glad that I chose this over the Evoque.
The P250S.
Yes, I'm gonna change the rims, guys, so don't watch them either. I want to get black matte rims, which I'm gonna sort out afterwards.
I don't know about matte, shiny.
But I like the
Shiny,
matte ones
look.
I saw earlier. You think shiny? Or matte?
Or like the ones that we saw with the white pinstripes.
Yeah, that was nice. Okay, I don't know, but I know I'm gonna get black rims. I don't know the finish.
Very good. They look really nice, man.
Ooh, this is so nice, guys. Like, it's not actually that big, is it? It is. It's long. What do I name her?
No, let's call it Panda.
No, man.
Well, don't call
Panda
it.
was your last car.
You
Gotta
call it
have
that.
a
I
new
never
one.
called it that. I never called it that. You call it.
I'm gonna think of a name. I personally like Brown Panda, but Sim's not here for it. It's a bit long, actually. What about BP? We'll call her BP.
British Petroleum.
Where did
BP
that come from?
That's
oh yeah,
BP.
it's a petrol.
You can do up a little bit more or down a little bit more. And literally press the shape of the car anywhere and the music will be centered there.
Listen, it takes some getting used to.
How you feeling,
for sure.
sir?
I love it.
I think it's amazing. I can't wait to drive it
even
myself.
more than the last time, like when we first came. I love it even more. It's just like this whole thing is so slick.
Yeah, I wish I had it in the
It's
McLaren, man.
unreal.
It's that good.
It's crazy,
good,
isn't
yeah.
it? Like the technology is just, even like just the picture of the Range Rover on it is so sharp. It's just nice. Yeah,
Do you want to set the sat nav to where we're going?
but I think he took the keys.
Okay, when he comes back. Cool.
I love it. I love it so much. Like,
It's actually a dope car.
it's so sick, isn't it? Okay, so I'm about to do my first drive in this absolute beast. I'm not used to driving such big cars, but fingers crossed I'll be okay. I've actually only driven in the US once, and it was for 5 minutes. Yeah, and I'm actually about to go on the freeway, or motorway for those back home, in this. So we'll see. Hopefully I'll come out on the other side.